Fine. So tell me the make and model of your bike.
2017 Kawasaki Ninja-650.
How long you been riding?
4 months.
4 months?
Yeah, I got
Is this your first bike?
Yeah, this year.
This year? Oh, okay. What got you into biking?
Just friends, my aunt right here.
Oh, okay. That's why you got into it. Have you done anything to the bike since you got it?
Just the windshield.
Did you buy it brand new or used?
Used, but it had 900 miles.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
So it was like brand new?
For 2017, yeah.
Yeah, for a 2017, that's brand new, you know what I mean?
Much.
So what's your riding style? What do you like mostly? I see you got brand new tires on it too.
Yeah.
Right?
I mean,
which is very good.
The old ones were from 2017.
Were they? So yeah, it's so
Brand
smart
new,
that
yeah.
you changed them.
Yeah, brand
You
new.
know, you put new tires on them. That's good. You know?
Yeah, no, I like it.
So you like highways more or side roads? What do you like?
I like all of it.
All of it?
You know, I'm still like pretty new, so
Yeah.
it's not like too fast.
Not too fast. Yeah, good. S650 is a good choice.
Yeah.
You fit well. Are you able to, you know, do you flat foot or you tippy toes?
Nah, both feet. I just go
Both feet flat foot?
Yeah.
Cool. So that means you got the right bike,
Yeah.
you know, because especially when you're a new rider, it's good to flat foot. And then once you get experience, then you can, you know, make changes according to. So you want to keep this bike for a while?
Yeah, probably at least a year.
Huh?
At least a year.
At least a year or so, you know what I mean?
Maybe next year
Good.
or 2 years.
Is this your first time at this event?
Here, yeah.
Yeah, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Well, hope you like it. It's a nice group of people and pretty big group here. About 100 plus riders here. You know. Well, nice meeting you.
weather now,
Awesome
too.
bike. It looks good.
Thank you.
Great. Nice meeting you, everybody.
Nice meeting you.